Hi, I'm Dean Jerry. I'm the Director of the ARC Research Hub for supercharging tropical aquaculture through the use of genetic solutions. So aquaculture is the fastest growing food production sector globally. It's growing far faster than any of our terrestrial livestock and crop industries. Being a new industry, only about 40 years old in actual fact, we've got to solve a lot of the problems that other industries have had a lot of time to solve. And these relate to how do we grow the animals at a very productive level so it's sustainable, so that they use less resources as an input and produce more of an output in terms of protein. So essentially that's one of the things that we will be looking at in this project, is to how we can select for a faster growth rate. Also, about 40% of production globally is lost to disease. So if we can just make our species more resilient to particular diseases that impact them locally, then we can dramatically increase the output coming from each farm, because they won't lose as many of their stock to disease. So for food production sectors based on animals and plants, to really achieve its maximum productivity, we need to integrate both traditional selective breeding practices, i.e. that's been done for cattle and sheep for thousands of years, with modern genomic technologies that allow us to get really high accuracy of being able to choose those animals that have the best traits in a population, as well as the potential of genetic engineering to be able to just tweak the traits in a way that again might provide some useful outcome for the industry to be more sustainable in its farming. In our project, we'll essentially be focusing on traditional selective breeding, the use of genomics, and also using genetic technologies like understanding the bacterial microbiome through sequencing the whole bacterial community to how we can pull them together, use AI and machine learning processes to try and come up with some predictive tools, and hopefully at the end be able to bring it all together and have our companies and our industries that we're working with as the world leading companies using genetic technologies in aquaculture.